Dear students, in today's module, I am going to cover the Engineering Mathematics 1. This is one of the important subject in the first year course of the diploma or the polytechnic course. The students who have joined in their first year of diploma, normally they will have this Engineering Mathematics 1, or simply this can also called as M1. Okay, and I am going to cover the entire subject, okay, unit wise. So basically you have 5 units in this. So normally this is as unit 1, right? This is unit 1, and similarly second one is unit 2, right? And then you have unit 3, okay, this is unit 3, and then there is another unit, that is unit number 4, right? And then there is a last unit, that is unit number 5. And normally the pattern which I am going to discuss or cover in this presentation as well as in our subsequent presentations covers the total, topics of this particular subject, which will be normally with respect to the State Board of Technical Education, Andhra Pradesh, as well as the Telangana state, right? In these both states, this particular subject's syllabus remains almost all 100% the same, right? So that particular syllabus divides into these 5 groups normally, right? I briefly explain what this unit 1 covers. This unit 1 covers, basically it is algebra, right? The first unit covers about the algebra, where we can discuss about the functions, the relations of the functions, as well as the logarithms, okay, the logarithms as well as the functions and the different properties of the logarithms and the rules of the logarithms, and the relation between the function and how that function relates with these logarithms, that will be covered under this particular topic, that is called as algebra. That is what the unit 1 covers, right, in engineering mathematics 1. And coming to your unit number 2, this covers about the trigonometry, right? So this covers the trigonometry. This is one of the very important topic actually. It is a very important. There is a lot of weightage for this trigonometry. In fact, under this algebra, other than these logarithms and functions, you have some other subtopics also. Those are called as the partial fractions. What is that? Partial fractions, that I will explain in detail in our subsequent presentations. And the third one is the matrices. What is that? Matrices, and then the determinants, especially considering the third order matrix, that is 3 by 3 matrix. With respect to the 3 by 3 matrix, there we will see what is a matrix, what is the rank of a matrix, right? And then how the inverse matrix will be determined for the given 3 by 3 matrix, and how there are different things are there to cover under that matrices and then determinants, that we will see in elaborate while studying those particular topics. Therefore, under this algebra, as far as the subject is concerned, we have these are the different topics: logarithms and functions, relation between the function and then logarithms, as well as the second topic is the partial fractions, right? Under these partial fractions, normally we have basically two important types of, those are proper partial fractions as well as improper partial fractions. And I will explain you in detail what is a proper partial fraction, what is an improper partial fraction, that we will see in detail in our subsequent presentations. If you can follow these modules, you definitely enjoy this subject and will definitely understand the depth of this subject, right? And thirdly, the matrices. What is a matrix, what is a square matrix, and what are the properties of the matrix, and there are a lot to discuss about this. That all we will see in the subsequent presentations, that we are going to cover under this first unit under the topic of algebra. Coming to the unit 2, this is regarding the trigonometry. So what is the trigonometry, and then what are the trigonometric ratios? There are varieties of subtopics. It is not space is not sufficient here to explain all those. In our subsequent topics, when we will see in detail about that particular, there I will explain you each and every topics related to this trigonometry. So okay na. So then we will see the trigonometric ratios as well as the compound angles, right? And there are different subtopics are there that I will cover while discussing about this unit number 2. In this presentation, just I am going to give you the overall topic as a overview for your better understanding and to have the crispy information about this particular subject, right? And then coming to the unit 3, that is coordinate geometry. This is called coordinate geometry. It is another beautiful chapter, actually, coordinate geometry. So this is about the straight line, and there we will see the different plane, xy plane, and how the straight line will be drawn, and we will see the expression for the straight line. And then we will see there are different things with respect to this coordinate geometry, and that also we will see in detail while discussing about this unit number 3. And coming to your unit number 4, it discusses about the differential calculus, another beautiful topic. Differential, right? Differential calculus. So that is also another important topic, and it is very important. And uh, I mean okay, it also has the weightage of marks. And similarly, the unit number 5 discuss about the applications of differentiation. The final one, or the 5th unit, discuss about the applications, right? Applications of differentiations, right? Differentiation. So this is what actually differentiation. This is what the brief summary, the crispy information about the engineering mathematics, right? So these are the basic 5 units actually. So this is very simplest unit. Basically, if you see, the first one is very very simple unit, very small unit actually. But unit number 2 is a little bit lengthy. You expect more number of questions, and from this unit 2 you will get the questions with the more amount of marks, right? And similarly, unit number 3, coordinate geometry, also you will get some important questions, as well as from unit number 4 as well as unit number 5. This is the brief overview that I am going to just give you in this presentation, and in subsequent presentations we will see one by one in detail, starting from the unit number 1 of this engineering mathematics. And I wish all the diploma students of both the Andhra Pradesh as well as the Telangana states, and even the students of other states also, right, can make use of these presentations and take benefit of it from this, right? I wish all the best, and thank you for watching this video.